Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Google Chrome slow download problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are downloading any file on your Google Chrome, then it's showing or it is downloading very slow, then I will show you how to fix this issue. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open your Chrome browser. In top right side corner you will find three dots, click on that. Then click on settings. Here you will find privacy and security. Click on that. Then under privacy and security you will find delete browsing data. You have to click on this. In this you have to select this time range from all time. Just uncheck this browsing history. If you want to delete browsing history also, you can check this option. After that just click on delete, and here you will find advanced option also. Select all the time. Select the options which you want to delete, then tap on delete. After that, if you are using any extensions, just disable the unwanted extensions which you are not using. Just click on this three dot, then click on extensions, then click on manage extensions. Suppose if you are not using any extension, just disable this or tap on remove and close this window and relaunch your browser. Hope your issue will be resolved. The another one method you can try is you can update your Google Chrome. For that, click on this Chrome, click on this three dot, scroll down, click on help option, click on about Google Chrome. If there is any pending update, it will start update automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome slow download problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.